Right here on my screen is a payment proof for 22.84 USDT and another payment proof for 15 USDT from this same platform that I'm about to show you guys. Another one which is 6.12 USDT. Still another one, $7.72. Look at this one again, $7.90. This is $66.51. And the last but not the least, $11.40, which is the last withdrawal that I made from this particular platform, which I'm about to introduce to you guys again. And I'm gonna do another live withdrawal on this particular platform. So what you have to do for me now is to first of all drop a like on this video, then watch this video attentively for you to get the information and still begin to catch out just like Weekend is catching out on this video. Let's see how the video goes. And just for those ones that are kind of doubting this particular update, this is those withdrawals I'm showing you guys, around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 sets of withdrawals, successful withdrawals, which I made to my various accounts. And I'm making this video today for you two guys to know what is giving me this USDT, and so that you guys can earn from it as I'm doing. So the platform is no other platform again apart from ACNFT. That is ACNFT platform. That is a platform where we buy NFT at a lower rate, and within some time it's gonna increase in bigger rates, and then we sell it off, buy again, and continuously doing it. Check out this particular NFTs. As you can see here, you will see, if you go over to NFT views, you will see a lot of ones. These particular ones have been left, they don't have left forward more, and the price is now, they have a lot of NFT around here now. As you can see, this particular one now is $16.84, and it was launched at the price of $9.99. The same thing goes for this one that is $22.82. This particular NFT was also launched at $9.99, and now the price is this price. As you can see what the price is. Same thing goes for these ones. All this NFT was launched at little price, small price. Now they are now in a very big amount of price. Look at it over here, and most of them don't have a good amount of leftover. This one was also launched at $19.99 few days ago, and now it's now 37.77 cents. So all these things are NFTs which are being launched at this particular platform. Just like I told you guys, this particular platform is an NFT platform where you buy NFT at a low price. It keep on increasing money. And why I love this particular platform very much is that first of all, it's a long-term platform. It's not a Ponzi website. No, it's a long-term platform. They do their things in public. And also secondly is that this platform does not have any way you can lose your money. Everything about the platform is always increasing money for you. So the earlier you jump into the platform, the more profit you earn from it. So for those of you guys that are new to the platform, it's very simple. Follow the link in the description to sign up on the platform, and watch the video in the first comment of this video for you to verify your account. First of all, you need to link your account with Google verification key. As you can see, I've bind my own successfully, and you can also verify your account. Verify it by entering your real name and any identity thing that they ask of you. Also, you can also download their app and be using their app, and this is where you will see your collections. As you can see, this is the collection that I have, and in few minutes coming, let's know in 14 minutes coming, all this NFT is gonna increase price with 2.2%, 1.96%, 2%, many percent, and every NFT have their own percentage that they are launching with. And they also have a new NFT that is going to launch today. So in a few minutes time now, this particular NFT is going to be launched on this particular platform, and anybody that jump into it with minimum of $10 to buy it, we keep on getting gain every single day. As you can see, these two NFTs now, this harmonic cat world and this particular temperature NFT, these two NFT are the two NFT that is going to be launched on this particular platform. And they are going to publish 1,000 pieces of the collection, NFT collection. The same thing goes for this one. They're gonna publish another 1,000 pieces of it, and trust me when I said a lot of people are gonna jump into it. Take a look at these NFTs. As you can see, this particular one was published under $10. It's now under $100. It's now $110 for 3 cents, and a lot of people have bought it all, so they don't have any leftover. Look at it, they don't have any leftover. The same thing goes for this one that was launched with $10 price, and they don't have up to 5. They published 500 pieces of it. Now they don't have up to 1 piece of leftover. That means a lot of people have bought the NFT and they are done. So the same thing is gonna happen to this particular NFTs today, and when the time reach, I'm gonna buy one of these NFT and show you guys how to trade it. And look at it over here. This is not just a set of scam sites where someone hides himself and wants you to deposit your money. This is a set of people, a group of people making money. This is a real company. Look at it. They are real. They are coming out in the physical realm and showing people their faces. This is not a fake platform. So that is it. I just want to show you guys how people have been benefiting from this particular platform. And right over here is their Telegram channel, where they have around 7,040 subscribers currently as I'm talking to you. So this is the post that they make. You can also follow the link in the description to get this their Telegram platform without effect. And as you can see, they have already posted about this particular NFTs which they are gonna launch in, let me say, 8 minutes coming. So that is it. They normally talk about every NFT that they are launching and the reason why they are launching it. You can read it out by yourself. So right now, this is I'm back to my account, and remember, make very sure that you verify your account and link your account with Google with Chunky. So if you want to see the collection that you buy, that means the NFT that you purchase, look at it over here. Go over to my collection and you see it. Remember, I said that this particular NFT was launched with $9.99, and look at it, today is $21.97. In 7 minutes time, the price is gonna go up again with around 2%. So look at the NFT that I'm using here. As you can see, the price always go up with $2.01% every single day. That means I have gotten more than 100% of my capital, because what I used to start this particular, to buy this update, this particular NFT was $9.99. Today is now $21.97, and within this, after this countdown, the price is gonna upgrade around $2 something cents. So let's wait for the price to update so that I will sell it off and buy a new NFT in your face. So it's exactly 2 p.m. Nigerian time, and if you go over to my account, it's consider my account balance, my total assets just increased. And if you go over to my collections now, you see that my NFT is no more $21, but $22.41. This is how the money keep increasing every single day. So what I have to do now is that I promise myself that once this particular NFT reach $20, I'm gonna sell it off and buy a brand new collection. So if I go over to market section now, you will see NFT trading. Let's go down to see the ones that is trading now. So look at it over here. So let's go over to the one that is launched today. So let's go over to that one that they launched today. Where is it? Just give it a time. So this is it now. So if I go over to NFT preview, and let it load up, and this is the preview now. If you go over to NFT preview, you see that these particular NFTs are now ready to be purchased. So anybody now that is ready to purchase, just like me, buy it at $10, and the price will keep on increasing, just like this particular one. You can sell it anytime. Maybe you have gotten gain, then you can sell it anytime and take out your money. So as you can see, these 2 NFT now are ready to be bought from tomorrow. Or as you can see, a lot of people are already buying it. Someone just bought, people have already bought out 3 out of the 1,000 pieces of this particular temperature token, and already people have already bought 10 pieces of this particular one. So this is how this particular NFT works. And now let me go ahead and sell off the one that I'm having. So if I go over to this particular NFT trading, I will see the one that I'm having here, my own personal NFT. So I know the NFT. So this is the NFT that I'm having. So, and what I can easily do now is to click on this place that says sell, and it will load up a bit and bring me to the selling section. So what I have to do now is to enter the amount of NFT that I want to sell, and remember, they always take out 5% of whatever you want to sell as charge fee for selling. So if I click on one piece of it now, and go back, you will see it's gonna cost me, they're gonna give me $21.28 total. They've already taken out 5% for the creator fee. So what I have to do is to simply click on this place that says sell, and instantly it's gonna exchange for me just a little more. Now it's exchanging it to in USDT for me. So this is how it's gonna be done. So after it, as you can see now, the thing have been successfully sold for me. So if I go back to my account now, and if I go back to my collection, you see that I don't have any single NFT here. So what I have to do now is to go back to the market and then go to NFT preview. So this is NFT preview, and what I have to do now is to select any of this particular NFT being launched today. So what I have to do now is to use $10 to buy any of this NFT that was launched today. So by tomorrow we'll be expecting it to be going for 2.20% every day for us. So what you have to do, in case you want to buy the NFT, this is how to buy it. Click on buy, make sure that you have the amount that you want to use to buy the NFT for you. So what I have to do now is to enter one piece of it. Just enter one piece of the NFT, one piece. I want to buy one piece of the NFT, and it's gonna cost me only 10 USDT. So if I click on this place that says buy now, and it's gonna load up a bit and exchange and do everything to make sure that the NFT was purchased successfully for me. So once it's done for me, the purchase is gonna be successful, as you are seeing it now. So if you go back to my account now, you see that if you go back to my collection, you see that I'm now having this particular NFT as my collection. So from tomorrow or the next tomorrow, selling of it is gonna be available for me. So every day now is gonna be giving me benefit of buying it. So that is how to buy this NFT and trade it. So as you can see, this is how to trade NFT. And also there is a free method of earning on this particular platform. If you go scroll down where you see sign in, every single day try your best to check in, so that you will, after 25 days you will receive 5 USDT free of charge. After 26 days actually. If I click on this place that says check in now, you see that I successfully check in. So after I have checked in for another 8 days now, after it have reached 26 days, they will reward me with 5 USDT, just like you are seeing on the screen right now. I have received the first one and I withdraw it to my USDT wallet address. So right now it's for me to go ahead and withdraw, so that I will show you guys how to withdraw. First of all, how to deposit is very simple. Click on this place that says deposit. Let's go over to deposit. How to deposit is very simple. Click on recharge over here, and it's gonna show you, ask you to enter the amount that you want to recharge. Let's assume you want to recharge 10 USDT. So all I have to do is to enter 10 here and then select USDT TLC20. Click on payment, and it's gonna give you a wallet address for you to pay. So once you're done sending it, the recharge is gonna credit it to your account as soon as possible. So that is how to deposit. Then how do you withdraw? Go over to this particular place that says withdrawal, and then after you have binded your wallet address with USD, you are binding your wallet address with Google verification code. So what you have to do now, what I have to do is to enter the amount of USDT that I want to withdraw. I'm currently having 13 USDT here, so I have to enter it along. So let me select that is USDT that I want to withdraw, 13.759 USDT. So what I have to enter now is 13.7059 USDT, and there is no fee for withdrawal. So it's my wallet address have been linked already. Remember I told you guys to link your wallet address to the platform. So what I have to do now is to enter this, click on this place that says withdrawal, and they will ask me for Google verification. So all I have to do now is to enter the Google verification I got from my Google Authenticator app, and then click on OK. It's gonna be done successfully for me. As you can see now, I have withdrawn my amount successfully. So we are now waiting for the withdrawal to be confirmed. So that is how to withdraw to earn from this particular platform. So if I go over to my withdrawal details here, you see that this particular current withdrawal that I did today is still on pending. So once it's done, I'm gonna complete the video and show it to you guys. And as you can see now, the withdrawal is now approved. So if you go over to my account now, check details, you see that it has been completed. And if you go over to my account now, my Trust Wallet, you see that the same amount that I withdraw from my Trust Wallet is the same amount from the NFT website is the same amount that I received on my Trust Wallet. So guys, this is how to earn from this particular platform, and I hope you guys got value from this video. Try your best to make sure that you join this particular long-term platform, because you guys know me, I don't like making videos on fake websites anymore. This is a long-term platform, and I will like you guys to partake from it. Try your best to do your own research before joining any NFT, any platform. See you guys on my next video. Bye.